Hello friends, I welcome you in my YouTube channel Online Scam Advisor. Today we will discuss on topic the break shop reviews. So if you are going to buy anything from this website, then before buy, watch this important video. But if you already have purchased product from this website and if you have not received your product yet or got a damaged product, then please watch this full video till then to find out how to get your money back. First of all, I want to tell you that it's not my website. I'm making this video only for you so that I can save you from scam website. And in this video, I will tell you that this website is legit or scam. So now, start the video. So you can check here. This is an e-commerce website and offering you many types of different tools. And this website is also secured by the HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, and which is a good sign of this website. And also here you can check the registration date and expiry date of this website. Even all the informative pages are available here, so it's a good sign. And for return and refund issues, please check the description area of this video. And now finally we will talk about the break shop reviews. So there are no reviews available, but trust score of this website is 75. This website is also active on social media platforms and business trust ranking of this website is 61.2. And also the content quality looks somehow good of this website. So according to our research, in the conclusion of the break shop reviews, this website seems good website. But I request you to please make right decision while exploring. And if this video is helpful for you, then please support me, like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel. And also please comment me if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay happy.